Hi, in this video we'll be taking a look at multiplying fractions. Okay, this is aimed at predominantly for the Key Stage 2 curriculum, Key Stage 3 curriculum, and also GCSE 9-1 maths for the higher and foundation tier 2. Okay, we will start with question number 1. I've got a half times a third. Now when I multiply fractions, I believe this is the easiest out of the 4 operations. All I do is just times the top numbers together and then times the bottom numbers together. So 1 times 1 divided by 2 times 3. 1 times 1 we should know is 1 and 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is equal to 1/6. This is question number 2. 1/5 times 2/8. Well, again, timesing the numerators together, i.e. the top numbers together, and then timesing the denominators together, i.e. the bottom numbers, okay, of my fraction. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 8 is 40. Now, the answer I get is 2/40. Now, this fraction can be simplified, and what I mean is I can divide the top and bottom by a whole number, by an integer, and I will still get like what we call an equivalent fraction, but it will be in its simplest form. So 2/40, they are both even numbers, so I can half it. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 40 divided by 2 is 20, because 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then stick a 0 on, I get 20. So the answer is equal to 1/20. Okay, this is question number 3. 4/7 times 1/9. Again, so multiplying the top numbers together and the bottom numbers. 4 times 1 is 4, and 7 times 9 is 63. So the answer is 4/63 or 4/63. Okay, this is question number 4. 15/10 times 10/15. So I do 15 times 10 divided by 10 minus 15. Divided by 10 times 15. Well, 15 times 10 is 150, divided by 10 times 15, which is also 150. Now, this one's a slightly interesting example. Okay, if you divide anything by itself, the answer is always the whole number 1. Okay, 150 out of 150. Remember that line needs a division. Okay, 150 divided by 150 is 1. Okay, this is question number 5, guys. 2/3 times 8. Well, when I times a whole number by a fraction, I times the whole number by the numerator, and I keep the denominator the same. So I have 2/3 times 8. Well, 2 times 8 is 16, divided by 3 is 16/3. Okay, which is what I call an improper fraction, and I can change that into a mixed number if I like. So it will be 5 and 1/3 as a mixed number. Okay, because 5s go into 15 3 times, and then the remainder is 1, so it's going to be 1/3. Okay, this is question number 6. 1/6 times 1/5. Well, again, 1 times 1 is 1, 6 times 5 is 30, so the answer is 1/30. Okay, this is question number 7, guys. 2/9 times 1/6. Well, again, 2 times 1 divided by 9 times 6. 2 times 1 is 2, 9 times 6 is 54. Now, the answer I get is 2/54. Okay, they are even numbers, so I can half top and bottom. Dividing top by 2, I get 1. Dividing the bottom by 2, I get 27. Okay, so the highest common factor between 2 and 54 is 2. Okay, because that's the highest number that goes into both numbers. Okay. Right, guys, so that takes us to the end of today's video. So I sincerely hope that you found it useful. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please press like. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Okay, and also please click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further uploads and further videos. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're wanting more practice questions, then please head over to www.corbetmaths.com, okay, and try questions on multiplying fractions and let me know how you guys get on. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.